Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Signal app. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to find friends or add friends in Signal app, first of all, open up the Signal app mobile application. Once you're here, there is the option of invite friends. Tap on it at the bottom. From here, what you can do is simply copy this link of this, or just tap on share and share this link to as any of your contacts on or any of your apps of Instagram or WhatsApp or any other like app, and you can add as many friends as you want. Otherwise, what you can do is tap on this pencil button. From here you can just scroll down and find by username or find by phone number. Simply enter up their username or their phone number and you can easily invite friends or find friends on your Signal app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.